If your legs feel weaker than they used to, don't skip this. Most seniors quit around day 20, and day 28 is exactly where lasting strength begins. Hello, my lovely seniors. Welcome to Senior Over 60 Fitness. This is day 28 of our 100-day daily leg exercise series. If you're new here, start today, go slow, and stay with me. Exercise 1, chair. Sit to stand. Take your chair and place it firmly against a wall. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, and gently lower yourself down. Lightly touch the seat, then press through your heels to rise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause, breathe. This builds daily strength. 5, 6, slow and steady, joints stay happier. 7, 8. Most people stop here, but you continue. 9, 10, feel control growing. 11, 12, posture tall, chest open. 13, 14, strength stays when you do. 15, halfway, excellent effort. 16, 17, go slow, no rush. 18, 19, consistency matters. 20, 21, progress happens now. 22, 23, skipping weakens results. 24, almost done. 25, well done. How are your knees feeling right now? If this is your second, third, or fourth day, notice the difference. If tired, rest proudly, because staying with the movement is why independence lasts. Remember to breathe calmly, sit fully, and stand fully each time. This exercise supports walking, stairs, and confidence. Share this video kindly and comment your experience so other seniors feel encouraged, guided, safe, and motivated to finish today strong. You are doing something meaningful for your body, balance, and future mobility today. Stay present and proud. Exercise 2, standing knee lifts. Stand behind your chair. Hold the backrest gently and lift one knee at a time. Keep your chest tall, eyes forward, and move slowly to help balance and circulation. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where most people stop, but staying here trains confidence. 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice blood flow improving as you lift and lower. 9, 10, 11, 12. Balance grows when you do not rush. 13, 14, 15. Halfway now, this effort keeps walking steady. 16, 17, 18. Stay focused, even small lifts count. 19, 20, 21. This is where balance truly improves. 22, 23, 24. Almost finished. Stay calm and upright. 25. Excellent work. Place both feet down gently. Which side feels weaker right now, left or right? Comment your experience, and remember, slowing down is smart, not failure. This movement improves circulation to the legs, strengthens hips, and supports safer walking every day. Exercise 3, seated leg extensions. Sit tall on the chair, feet flat, hands resting on thighs, and extend one leg slowly, then lower with control. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move slowly. Knees grow stronger. 5, 6, 7, 8. Skipping this is why results do not last. 9, 10, 11, 12. Patience protects joints. 13, 14, 15. Halfway now, stay smooth. 16, 17, 18. Control builds lasting strength. 19, 20, 21. Slow effort matters. 22, 23, 24. Almost finished. 25. Excellent. Rest the leg. This exercise strengthens the muscles around the knee, helping standing, walking, and stairs feel safer and easier every day. Moving slowly keeps the joint nourished and reduces strain. If you rush, benefits fade quickly. Even on day 2, 3, or 4, repeating this calmly builds trust in your legs. Stay with me until the end, because skipping this is why results do not last. If tired, pause proudly, breathe deeply, and continue when ready. Comment how your knees feel now and notice progress growing quietly. You are protecting independence, confidence, and mobility by finishing today with patience and care. That choice supports long-term strength and keeps daily movement comfortable for years ahead without unnecessary pain later. Exercise 4. Heel raises holding chair. Stand tall behind your chair, holding the backrest gently. Feet hip-width apart. Lift your heels slowly off the floor, stand on your toes, and lower with control. This exercise strengthens your calves and improves balance. Now this is just a 5-minute stretching routine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Most people stop here, but staying builds stronger ankles. 9, 10, 11, 12. Balance improves every time you lift. 13, 14, 14, 15. Halfway now. Notice the small gains. 16, 17, 18. If you feel tired, pause for a moment. 19, 20, 21, 22. Stand tall, controlled. 23, 24, 25. Excellent. Slowly place both heels down. Comment below which country you are watching from. This helps me connect with every senior doing this exercise around the world. Reassure yourself it is perfectly fine to rest if needed. Returning to the exercise after a pause still counts. By holding the chair lightly, you protect your balance and joints while building calf strength. Finishing all 25 repetitions steadily improves circulation, walking confidence, and prevents slips or falls. Staying consistent strengthens the lower legs and helps maintain independence. Even small efforts repeated daily lead to long-lasting results for mobility and stability. Exercise 5. Side leg raises. Stand beside your chair and hold it gently with one hand. Keep your back tall, core engaged, and lift one leg slowly to the side, then lower with control. This exercise improves hip stability and balance, which is essential for safe walking and daily movements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel your hip muscles activating. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is where most people stop, but you continue. 9, 10, 11, 12. Slow and steady strengthens stability. 13, 14, 15. Halfway now. Excellent effort. 16, 17, 18. Controlled lifts protect joints. 19, 20, 21, 22. Almost finished. Stay proud. 23, 24, 25. Wonderful. Lower the leg slowly. If you completed today's workout, write day 28 done in the comments. Tell me how your legs feel and which exercise was hardest. Please share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends. Strength grows better together. See you tomorrow for day 29.